In this study, you'll evaluate several textile samples. We're interested in which different features of the samples you prefer. Please don't touch anything during this instruction period. You'll be told when the instructions are over and when you should actually begin sampling the products. In front of you are 14 paper composite samples, composites A through N. In a moment, you'll evaluate each of these samples in a random order. The paper composite samples contain varying levels of Gritev, a BPA-free, contact-safe microsubstance. The paper composites also contain varying levels of stanexor, which is also a BPA-free composite substance. As you touch each sample, you'll be told the precise levels of Gritev and stanexor that have been applied to the textile. The computer will tell you which samples to touch when. For example, if the computer screen says, "Touch sample B," you should run your fingertips across the sample so that you can evaluate it. You'll have 10 seconds to do this. A clock will be displayed in the upper left-hand corner to let you know how much time you have left. At the end of 10 seconds, the computer will automatically advance to the next page and you'll be asked to rate sample B. You'll make your rating on a scale from 1 to 9, and you'll have another 10 seconds to do this. If you dislike the sample, your rating will fall on the left side of the scale, from 1 to 4, and you can indicate how much you dislike the sample by selecting dislike slightly, moderately, very much, or extremely. If you like the sample, your rating will fall on the right side of the scale, from 6 to 9, and you can indicate how much you like the sample by selecting like slightly, moderately, very much, or extremely. If you neither like nor dislike the sample, select the middle option. After you've rated the sample, you'll be asked to run your fingers across the neutralizing strip for 5 seconds. This helps prepare your skin to evaluate the next sample. The computer will tell you which samples to touch and rate until you've evaluated all 14. Be sure to pay attention to all aspects of the samples: the texture, the color, even the sound it makes when you run your fingers across it. This is going to be a simple task, so it can be easy to space out. But it will only take you about 5 minutes to sample all 14 textiles, so please try to stay attentive to how much you like or dislike each sample, as well as how much Gritev and stanexor is in each one. The instructions are now over. You'll start the task once you move on to the next page, so once you're ready, click the gray button below.